today's video, I'm going to show you how I make zipper linings for my macrame handbags. This is the bag I'll be lining, and it's 18 centimeters deep and 22 centimeters wide. Take two pieces of fabric, 23 centimeters wide and 36 centimeters long. Because my handbag is white, my outer lining is white, and I am using a leopard print for the inner lining that is 2 centimeters shorter than the outer lining. Now take a zip that's wider than the fabric by about 2 centimeters on each end. This is the right side, and this is the wrong side. Now place each side of the zipper between the two layers. It should be wrong side facing with the teeth pointing toward the center. Hold in place with clips or pins. And then do the other side, remembering wrong side facing and teeth pointing toward the center. Now sew. Use a zipper foot if you have it, and don't forget to backstitch. Turn right side out. Now do a row of top stitching. Top stitching here will prevent the fabric getting stuck in the zipper. Now add the slider head, rounded part down. Now leave the slider head in the middle while you turn the lining inside out. sew a 1 centimeter seam on each side, leaving a gap for turning it out. You can use your regular foot for this. I like to use a walking foot. Go slow over the zip. You don't want to break a needle. Remember to leave that gap. You can clip all the corners first if you like, and then flip it right side out. Poking the corners out as you go. Now with the edge folded in, sew nice and close to the edge. Make sure you're only sewing that outer lining and you don't catch any of that inner lining. Insert the completed lining into your macrame bag, and once you're happy with the placement, you can stitch it in place. I usually hand stitch it, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments.